Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video without blur. So in here, what you need to do is just open your browser and then click on this Google search and then just find the watermark remover video or video remover. So as you guys can see here, there are lots of video watermark remover that you can use online. You can just choose which one that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this BCut online watermark remover. You can click on it here, choose to remove watermark from image or video. So I'm going to use video. Click on this button and choose the video that you want to remove its watermark. Now hit on open and the video will be uploading. You can just select the part that you want to remove its watermark. I'm going to go with this, and after that here you can click on erase. Now the video is being processed. You can just wait. Okay, so now it's completed. You can just click on download files in here. And let's see the result. You can click on it and just like that the watermark is disappeared now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.